A particular useful feature of Shodan is that we don't need to open a web browser to use it. There is also a command line interface client that can be used to make requests using the Shodan API. To install the Shodan client, we'll need to have a working Python installation, which is available on any modern Linux distribution. Then, we'll install the client using pip. If pip is not installed on your Linux, you install it by executing apt install python 3 -pip. And as root, I run pip 3 install Shodan. And it's installing the Shodan CLI client. In my example, it's already installed. Note that you install the CLI client the same way on Windows or Mac. Now we can see all available options by typing Shodan -#. In order to use the client, we have to first initialize it using an API key. Each account has its own unique API key, and you can find it on the Shodan website under My Account. Of course, you need to be logged in with a free or paid account. This is my API key. I'm copying the key, and then in the command line, I'm executing Shodan init, and I'm pasting the key. And it has successfully initialized. Now we can properly use the client. Let's see some examples. Shodan counts a search term like this: Shodan count Chromecast. Let's see how many Chromecast devices are on Shodan. So there are 76,364 Chromecast devices on Shodan. By the way, Chromecast is a streaming media adapter from Google that allows users to play online content such as videos and music on a TV. Many smart TV devices have Chromecast built in. Let's search for Chromecast devices. Shodan search Chromecast. And these are all Chromecast devices found on Shodan. If we want to see just a few fields, we use this command: Shodan search --fields, and the fields I want to see: IP_str, port, org, and host names. It will display only these 4 fields: the IP, the port, the organization, and the hostname. Unfortunately, in order to use complex filters in the Shodan CLI, a premium account is required. Let's find more information about such a device, about this one. So Shodan, host, and the IP address. And it displayed information about that Chromecast device. You can also run Shodan stacks and the search query. It will display statistics. You can see that the most Chromecast devices are in South Korea. And Shodan MyIP brings out your own external IP address. Then you can search for that IP address on Shodan to see if there is any vulnerable device that is accessible at your IP address. It also includes devices inside the LAN with port forwarding enabled.